Sorry, honey. I didn't mean to freak out. It's just... Oh, God. Yes, I hate the fireworks. I hate them. I hate them. I hate them. Every year I dread this day, and it always seems to get worse. Yes, please hold me. I know that I'm safe in here, but they're still so terrifying. I can't help but worry that one of them is gonna start a fire, or worse. At least now I have you. Now I don't have to be on my own during this. No, don't bother. The neighbors are never gonna listen to you. When will it finally end? Ow! No, you didn't do anything. It's my tail. When I get really scared or anxious, my tail gets super tense, and now it hurts. Ow. Oh. Could you stroke it? Please. You're not gonna hurt me. I promise. Just like that. Yeah. It's helping already. You have magic hands and magic warmth. Don't play with my ears. You know that's my weakness. So that's where you were. I thought you left for something. Well, what are we eating then? I do love your potato salad. Oh, wow. You're right. I didn't even freak out this time. You really are magical. Thank you, honey. That was the first time I didn't freak out. And it's all thanks to you. Could we stay like this for a little longer? Thank you. I'll help with the cooking when we get to it.